Fresh off the Amazon truck, we got zombies. Let's get right into it. Post office just delivered this box. It is the brand new Marvel Collector Core Marvel Zombies mystery box. I have no idea what's in here. Obviously some Marvel zombies, but I have not seen any spoilers. It is still sealed, as you can tell right here. And I wanted to get it open for you guys right away as soon as I got it. So let's go ahead and open this up together. Let's see what's inside. All right, it is the end of September and I just got this box in today. All right, seal is broken. I got a fly flying around, and that's what it looks like right on top of the box right there. It's obviously a t-shirt, which is what you usually get in this box. This box cost $29.99 from Amazon.com, and that is what the t-shirt looks like. Don't think I'm feeling the design all that much from the way it looks. I guess it's cool, Halloween and stuff like that, but these guys look pretty horrifying. They are zombies after all, but I just don't wear these kind of like, you know, crazy looking t-shirts. I do like my black t-shirts though, as you guys know, so I'm not gonna go ahead and open this up, but that's what the t-shirt looks like. You got some zombies right there and some crazy colors. Definitely a horror Halloween type vibe, but let's go ahead and pull the next item out of the box here. We got the Magneto sticker. I do have Magneto around here somewhere. Here he is right here. Zombie Magneto from the Funko shop. I do have him already, but that is the sticker right there. Now let's check out this card. The card says, "Coming soon, Marvel. Amazon.com/MCC for our next theme." So I guess they haven't announced the theme yet, but the back of this card shows you what's inside the box, so we're going to go ahead and skip that till later. Let's go ahead and pull out the pin. They do have a pin in here as well, and that's what the pin looks like. Very darn cool. There's the back, just a one-prong pin. Alright, so a t-shirt, a pin, and a sticker so far. And there is two Funko Pops inside, so I'm going to go ahead and just pull one out. Right, and the Funko Pop that I pulled out is Zombie Red Skull. It is exclusive Marvel Collector Core, Pop number 668. Zombie Red Skull. The box has a little bit of damage on the bottom there, unfortunately. And there's some more zombies in the back there. I think I do have all of those. Yep. I am collecting the Marvel Zombie line. How about you guys? Let me know in the comments section down below if you guys are collecting this line or not. Very, very cool. Fly, get away from me. That is Zombie Red Skull. Alright, there's only one thing left, guys, in the box. And I'll just go ahead and show you what it is. And there it is. Box is empty, and it is Zombie Deadpool with head pull. Wow. Zombie Deadpool with head pull. Pop number 667. Very cool. Box is in better shape than the other one. Little fold or something right there. A crease. But they both have the exclusive Marvel Collector Core sticker on it. And that is Marvel Zombie Deadpool with head pull. Alright, and here are both of the pops you get in the box. Like I said before, this box does cost $29.99 from Amazon.com. And they're cool pops. I don't have these ones. So I do have the other versions of them, the regular versions of them. The non-Marvel Collector Core. But it's a cool addition to my collection, I guess. Yeah, I'm not dissatisfied with the box. Only thing I'm not really feeling, like I said, was the t-shirt. But that's just me. You may be feeling this kind of t-shirt. but that's just not what I go around wearing, you know. I'd rather wear Mandalorian. But that's it. Box is empty. Throw that aside. You saw the t-shirt, the sticker, the cool pin. The pin I'll probably keep, put it on my pin board. And then the Funko Pops. All right, let's go ahead and show you the card that I promised I was going to show you later. And you get the 2 pops that are showing there, the decal, the pin, and the t-shirt. And it says, "You've unleashed a horde of Marvel zombies." Ooh. To wreak havoc on your collection. The Marvel Zombie box includes Pop Deadpool holding Headpool, Zombie Red Skull, Zombie Red Skull Pop, Zombie Gambit pin, an Undead Magneto decal, and a Marvel Zombie group t-shirt. The Zombies t-shirt will eat the competition to get to the top of your Marvel t-shirt collection. All right, guys, that's it for me. Just want to do a quick video to show you guys the latest Marvel Collector Core Marvel Zombies mystery box. So what do you guys think? Did you like the box? Let me know in the comment section down below. If you liked it, was it 2 thumbs up? Was it 2 thumbs down? Was it half and half? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't let the zombies get you, because you have to be subscribed to my channel. So hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you're notified when I drop a new video. All right, until the next one, you guys take care, be safe, peace out, have a great day. Bye-bye.